Some people have asked for a more detailed description of how we planted each of these 400 Norway spruce trees, so this video is going to be about that. The first thing we did is called before digging, and they sent out someone for free to mark all of the utility lines. Next, we measured out a straight line and then used flags to mark spaces 10 feet apart and even further from the fence. In the areas with more space, we marked out 2 staggered rows, so when looking from the roadway, a tree can be seen every 5 feet. Norway spruce can grow about 2 to 4 feet per year, and the internet says there should be plenty of space for them to grow into. Next, we dug the holes. We used an auger for these to give them more space and to give them their best chance to grow quickly. As we separated the plants, we trimmed the roots to prepare them for planting. We made sure to keep the trees waiting to be planted covered from the air and sun to keep them from drying out. And we dipped the trees in water mixed with a vitamin mixture that helps with transplanting. When planting each tree, we made sure that the roots were sticking straight into the ground and that they weren't creating J shapes that may eventually hinder their growth. We mixed in the natural clay soil with a little bit of topsoil when planting them. We made sure that all of their roots were covered, while also leaving an inch below the bottom node. We made sure to pack this all down nicely so that they could not easily be ripped out of the ground. Finally, we topped it off by creating a volcano shape with some mulch while making sure not to cover the bottom of the tree because that can cause many issues. And then we repeated this several hundreds of times. We watered everything again after planting and are making sure that everything gets plenty of water. We plan to add an irrigation line soon, so follow along to catch that project. Do you have any questions?